Firstly, I'll give you a brief introduction to the general functionalities of the Block Explorer. The Block Explorer is an important tool for a blockchain network to provide users with search and query entries. With the advance of blockchain technology, the function of the Block Explorer has been from simple query transaction status, viewing address balance, to displaying smart contract content. For example, BTC.com is one of the popular Block Explorer for Bitcoin. Etherscan.io is one of the popular Block Explorer for Ethereum. In addition to the main functions of the previous Block Explorer, the most important thing is that Cortex Cerebro Explorer contains AI model upload, data upload, on-chain AI model inference functions. Let's visit Cortex Cerebro Explorer at cerebro.cortexlabs.ai. What is displayed right now is the homepage of Cerebro Explorer. At the top, we can see 4 sections for the navigation bar: Home, Blockchain, CC Tokens, AI Contract. We will also go through them step by step in this order. Let's start from the home page. All the information is listed under the logo. Looking down, we can see 6 tags. The available AIs, which means the number of AI models available on the chain. Current height, which is the current block height. The total number of transactions. Node number, which is the number of nodes in the Cortex test network. Hash rate, which is the total hash power of the Cortex test network. Difficulty, which is the difficulty of the whole test network. I want to briefly talk about these 6 indicators. The number of AI models available on the chain is currently 6. I will introduce these 6 models later. After the launch of Cortex mainnet, the AI model developers can upload the AI models to the Cortex network by themselves. But the AI models needed to be confirmed to the Cortex model standard. The model standard and the model standard tool are development work that still need to be done before the launch of the Dolores AI smart contract testnet. The current block height, the total number of transactions, and the total difficulties of the test network. These are the basic indicators which represent the current network. The total number of nodes and the total hash power of the testnet are calculated based on the current difficulty and the block time. They might be slightly off from the actual numbers. Looking down, you can see the details of the last 10 blocks and the last 10 transactions, including the block generation time, the miners who packed the blocks, the number of transactions included in the block, the trading time, the transaction hash, and addresses. At the bottom of the page, there are links of the official communities and the contact email for the testnet. If you have any questions concerning the testnet, you can contact us through this email.